I think when you get to a certain age, you actually feel more comfortable in your personality, your persona, and suddenly the rest of it seems to let you down a little bit.
I'm aware that I'm just looking a lot older and I just don't like it.
I thought, I'm still all right in my 40s, I'm hanging on, you know, but then suddenly 50, it's dropping off now.
I'm fine with who I am. It's just that I like to get rid of the lines.
Well, it's not that I want to look younger, I don't want to look any older.
I would love to get rid of the wrinkle around the eye.
The shape of your face changes, I think, it's more here.
The lines here.
I hate these. Hate them. And it does bother me, yes, and I would say I probably do every day look at them and it bothers me.
I actually would like to just look fresher and brighter.
You can't turn back the clock, can you? All you can do is just like live now and think, well, if it works now and we like it, well, why not?
Ordinary people are having it done now, not just celebrities.
Everybody wants to look younger.
So if I can be confident when I've had this, that'd be great, because it's one of my downfalls, so that would be great.
Like I've just come back from a holiday.
I think most people, when you meet someone, they all say, oh, how are you? And you say, oh, I'm fine. And they say, I want them to think, yeah, you do look really fine.
Before I had Juvederm Ultra, I felt quite down when I looked in the mirror. I didn't really like looking in the mirror anymore. As I was getting older, I felt I was wrinkly and looked quite miserable sometimes.
It's definitely improved the lines that I had around my mouth. And I suppose I'm terrified when they're going to come back.
In general, I felt, the results were amazing in a very short space of time.
I feel much better and look much younger, I think.
It just makes me look younger, and it just makes me feel better about myself.
I can honestly say the results of Juvederm Ultra were much better than I expected.
I think my esteem has improved. I think I do feel a bit more confident in myself because I feel better in myself.
Judging by feedback that I've gotten from people, I'm really, really satisfied.
My husband thought, he says, yes, I did look 10 years younger. I look like the girl he married.
Well, my daughter, who didn't want me to go in the first place, was really impressed, and said she'd probably do it at a later date herself.
And I would definitely reassure them that it doesn't hurt, because a lot of people ask me that, and it doesn't.
If I had a friend who was concerned about facial lines, I would thoroughly recommend Juvederm Ultra treatment.
I don't want to go back and look wrinkly and old again. I want to look fresh and youthful, so I will have the treatment done again.
I did think it had reversed the ageing process, and very subtly, but that's exactly what I wanted from Juvederm Ultra.
Yes, I definitely would have Juvederm Ultra again. I'm really pleased with it, yeah.